Hi, I'm Mitch Dahl. I work here at Archway Manufacturing, and I am CNC lathe operator here. This is the OKUMA LB35. Helps us make a lot of the parts that we make here at Archway each day. Right now I got a pulley part in there, make our specific dimensions and fine-tuned right size. As you can see right now, it just looks like a hunk of metal, but with running this machine, it'll turn it into a nice pulley and give us the desired dimensions and specifications so that it'll use a belt-driven pulley belt. Being the lathe operator here at Archway, I use a lot of different tooling. And well, any of the CNC, we use a lot of different tooling, but here's a lot of the bars and that I use to turn my parts. These are more for internal use to get out a nice smooth interior. Here are some of our exterior use bars or parting bars or just general turning. And even being here at Archway, we had to make some custom made tooling to make our parts properly.
Archway, how work gets done.